Sometimes I'm falling through the sky, just when I realize that I just gotta live my life. Sometimes I'm falling, sometimes I'm falling through the sky, just when I realize that I just gotta live my life. I tried so hard to succeed, but I just can't believe my life is changing. My life is changing. My life is changing. Oh, so it seems. I just gotta live my life. I just gotta live my life. Sometimes I'm falling through the sky, just when I realize that I just gotta live my life. Sometimes I'm falling, sometimes I'm falling through the sky, just when I realize that I just gotta live my life. I tried so hard to succeed, but I just can't believe my life is changing. My life is changing. My life is changing. Oh, so it seems. I just gotta live
Do you use cursor? Do you mean this? Yeah, kind of. Or is it some name on something? Because you use capital letter, I'm not sure. Oh, we're up Nerdsal. Cursor the text editor? What is this? Oh, AI code editor. Oh, I think I've heard about this one. Yeah, I don't really use AI for coding. Kinda cringe if you ask me. I'm just joking, but I don't think I ever will. How you doing, Ersal? How's your game? I'm glad you agree. Vacation. Nice. Dude, you must have had a big vacation, or I guess for you it started later, right? You probably had some exams or something. Took me a couple minutes to get our bus shaped text in my OpenGL app. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it's definitely good for something. Until you run into an issue that makes you like lose a lot of time, which you wouldn't lose if you just figured everything out yourself. It's kind of a trade-off, I guess. I almost started using that editor, which also has like some AI features and stuff. I don't know. Oh, that was easy. Have you seen the new editor timeline I posted? No. Yeah, I also took a break for... Was it 3 weeks? No, it was 2 weeks. Yeah, on New Year's I took a break for 2 weeks and I've started like a week ago. And since then... I've been grinding every day. So do you have time to work on your game now? Yeah, I haven't checked your Discord in some time. I think I saw like you posting something. Are you still working on the editor? I thought you like have done something with it, or am I remembering wrong? Oh, by the way, what are you using for your to-dos? I wonder, because I recently started using Obsidian for it. Finally, I created like this dashboard. I wanted to like do something like this for a really long time, and I'm really happy how it turned out. The whole game is just the editor. I mean, it's kind of the same for my game, you know? Like, the editor is like the biggest part of it, of the whole thing. Because I guess we're both really focused on like community created stuff, right? Fig Jam? Dude, it doesn't even have the fucking dark theme. How can you? I mean, I'm kinda... This is like also a canvas, right? In Obsidian. I just like that everything is stored locally. And then I can come up with my own format. I really wanted to do like, you know, so I can just do these to-dos. So I can like write anything. And then like it appears here. I mean, I kind of decreased the size of it, but basically I can just do whatever, just text. And then I can like set a category or something, like add like tags if I want to. Because I kind of hated that whatever I tried, it was really... It took a lot of clicks to just create a task. New feature? What do you mean? Canvas? Canvas is kind of recently... It's kind of new, but I used like a bunch of plugins for this. Like, for example, I use tasks for this. That's like obvious. Yeah. I don't know, I'm really like obsessed about organizing everything so I never lose anything. And like, this is why I moved away from like Notion, for example. Because it's stored in the cloud and you can't trust those big corporations. Okay. This was easy. I think I've actually done this already. Yeah, you really should. It's super cool. It's like just because you can implement any kind of workflow you want. I just love it for that. You literally can do anything. But you might have to use JavaScript, unfortunately. Nice. Do you have any videos, maybe? In Discord? Alright, I'll check it out. Have you thought about like having a YouTube channel and making devlogs and stuff? Because I feel like your game is really... It's really presentable, you know? You could make some interesting content about it for sure. Then do it. Okay. B-Sky? What the fuck is that? B-Sky. Social media platform? Oh god. Oh god, is it fucking Twitter? What the fuck? What? Social media platform you can find. Dude, that's literally Twitter, what the fuck? Why is it good? Why is it not Twitter? I mean, I guess it's not owned by Elon Musk. That's already a plus, but like, how is it different? If it is. Better algorithms. Yeah, that's always temporary. Artists are switching to it. Yeah, okay. What kind of games is it going to be? Autobattler as in Autobattler is basically a genre where there isn't much input from the player. Besides from just composing like a team. So in my game, I mean, I'm re-implementing everything, but like this is kind of how the battle will look like. So this is like my team, and this is the enemy. Right now they're all the same. Oh, by the way, Nersau, check out my cool solution to infinite battles, because this was like a big problem before. So basically in the previous version, I was calculating all the battle preemptively and then kind of showing the player the recording of it, and sometimes the battles could go on for like very, very long, and this would make the game freeze, which I was solving by just one by one, like picking out the cases where it could go for too long. And right now it's kind of half real time, so I'm calculating like 1 turn per time. So as you can see, like it gets increased when I get to the end of currently rendered recording, I guess. And so this basically solves the infinite battles, because players can now just like stop watching it, stop waiting for it to resolve. And I think that's like super cool solution, because right now I don't even have to kind of limit it. Players can just themselves decide whether they want to make a team that like can get into this state. It's such a simple solution, but it like solves so much. But yeah, basically autobattlers are like a game where you compose some sort of a strategy out of some units, or like there are a lot of variations. There is like backpack battles where you buy items and you put them in your backpack, like weapons and stuff, and then you fight against another player that also bought some like inventory items. Yeah, it's a pretty new genre. It came out of Dota Auto Chess, which was a map in Dota 2 where you buy like Dota heroes and you put them in like sort of a chessboard, and then they just fight. So yeah, it's a lot like deck builders, except you don't specifically use your cards. And this genre became super popular. But I think most auto battlers kinda suck. So I just have to make the one that is better. Yeah, Snake Risk is super awesome. I actually got inspired by it. Like, I played it right before I came up with the idea for this game. But it's not strictly auto... Yes, it's a semi-auto battler. But yeah, I just loved it. There's something about making a simple game wrapped with the like some sort of gameplay to build strategies. I really love Nova Drift, if you know what it is. I've been playing it like a lot recently. Wait, I can't pause the music. When I press it, pauses the fucking thing. But yeah, like you basically play. Dude, what the fuck was the quality? So you have like this starship, like here. This is basically the player, and all you can do is press left click and right click. And when you press left click, it flies to the place where you click. Like there's just two buttons, but then you build a strategy like this. Like you always get offered with this selection of mods, and they all have a tree like this. You take this one, then either this one or this one, and then the final one. There is also mega super mods. I think they called. If you have two, you can get offered this like super one. And there's like so many strategies you can build, and you just basically experiment and find like super cool builds. I don't know, dude. I spent like I think 100 hours already, and all you can do is just play for the high score. But like it's so fun. Like I sometimes before I fall to sleep, I'm like thinking about strategies that I want to try like next day. I don't know. It's just so fucking fun. Yeah, you can make a build where you like shoot something very strong, or like you can like bump into stuff like here. This is the build where you just break everything just like bumping into it, and you deal like a ton of damage. So yeah, I feel like this has got like Snake Risk vibe kinda. But they updated this game so fucking slowly, it's insane. So yeah. Juzo, yeah, kind of like that, but it's mostly about combining the abilities of certain units. And in my game, it will be a lot about there will be a lot of content, and it will be added and rotated constantly with the help of players. So you as a player will be able to contribute to the content there is in the game, and this is kind of the core feature of the game. Because I think auto battlers are as fun as how like fresh they feel. So Snake Rocks, for example, was super fun until I tried like all the units that there is there, and then I'm like, okay, I'm done with the game. Like there aren't too many ways you can combine them. You just kind of try everything, and then you're like, yeah, I've seen it all. So if Snake Rocks had a way, so like if there were new units added like every month at least, I think I would still play it. Because there's so many things you can try. But also it's PvE, which also makes it kind of less replayable. Although Nova Drift is also PvE and it works way better. I feel like it's a lot deeper in the way you can combine stuff there. Oh, you've played it for 30 minutes. Yeah, dude, you should try it some more. Like, you didn't unlock everything, because it gets better and better when you unlock more and more stuff. Like then it becomes like super fun because there are so many like modes and whatever. Like I played 100 hours and I'm still discovering like new cool strategies. They've also done like super satisfying like the graphics and sound. Like they did a really good job with it. I really like it. The music, like, oh, it's super cool. What do I want to do? Oh yeah. So when we insert a match, yeah. On insert. Usually player influence is hard to manage, like yeah, we don't need to have all the players to be creators. If there is like at least, I don't know, 5% of players who wanna do that, that should already be enough. Like it's mostly about gameplay. And the previous version, like I've remade the game a bunch of times, and in the last version there wasn't really a lot of ways to create stuff, and people still had a lot of fun with the game. What kind of things are you thinking about when you think the players will influence the game? It's mostly about content, but it's also about like gameplay features, the rules of the mechanics, like basically anything, but mostly content. Like for example, you're playing the game and there is like let's say some unit with some ability, and you feel like this ability would be better if it worked a little bit different. So you could influence that, for example, or you can come up with an idea for a new unit, and maybe you just have a name or a description, and this should also be enough to like contribute. So you could basically like contribute to a description of an ability, and then someone thinks, oh wow, that would be really cool, and someone knows how to implement it, and they can add an implementation to it. And everyone who participates in the creation will get the credit for it. There is also, like in the version that I'm currently working on, there will be a lot of Like it will be more like MMORPG, where you'll be able to explore the world and collect the units. Like there will be always new units added to the game, and you'll be able to find them in the world and collect them. And basically someone would discover a new unit first, and they will be created with this like discovery, and you'll be able to trade it with other players and build some very powerful team, like kind of like that. What is this? This is me making an autobattler MMORPG kinda. Oh shit, this would trigger on every insert. Okay. Hold up. Do you have classes? You mean like in the way that they are in Snakeworks? No, they're called different there. I mean, I have I called it houses, which is basically a container for abilities. So a bunch of units can use the same ability, and now they will also be able to modify it in a deeper way. Can I prove with my rank that I excel in gameplay? Yeah, sure. Like the competitive part will be like the biggest one. It's like one of the most important for me. Yes, that's like exactly what it's all about. Like before, we had... Oh, actually, wait, I can even show you. Like, we had this like leaderboard. Can I make it fucking... Stupid fucking Discord, man. So yeah, there was this leaderboard, and people basically fought each other to get to the top. And it was all about trying to defeat whoever is in the lead right now. Trying to build a team that would beat like this strategy. And people were basically like theory crafting a lot in Discord, like how to beat like the current champion. Like this is what it's all about. Yeah. I'm gonna. Alright, let's see. New year, new editor. Almost usable, hopefully. Is there sound? Wow, this looks super cool. I love it. Can't understand anything, but looks very nice. I kind of hate the font. I mean, it is stylish, but it's not like, I don't know. Feels like it's hard to read. Especially like, what is this? Like, what the fuck? But yeah, the animations and like very, very smooth. Super nice. Yeah, good job, man. So I don't know, like what kind of font is this? It feels like you're using bold for like everything and you just decrease the size. It just makes it look weird, is what I'm saying. I mean, I guess it's up to you, but I feel like it would look prettier if you used bold and like normal, make it like lighter, you know? But besides that, it looks very, very cool. So what, are you still not done with the editor? You need to do some more? Um, be right back. Copy paste. Yeah, that's very important for the editor. But I've already added copy paste to my editor. I've actually made a really like blanket implementation. It's like by default almost for everything that there is in my editor. What kind of graphics? The kind of abstract ones from shapes and stuff, but I basically will support extension of like any kind for the graphics. I made like my own generative graphics thing. Like if you're interested, you can check out like on my channel. I have a bunch of videos about previous version of the game and you can see how the graphics used to look. They will be a lot similar. Okay. Yes. You will be able to do that. I know, right? I can't wait too. But you gotta let me cook. No. This is the final one. For sure. Surely.
I've been dreaming on my own, empty arms, hold you when you're sleeping.
I don't know, dude. I feel like it's the meta of making a game. Especially innovative one. Because why is it so fun to start from scratch? Think about it. Okay, maybe we don't do this. Maybe we pass the ID. Maybe I have to extend my... I need a way to put the notes into this ECS world from the table, I guess. Or do I? I kinda do it here. It's not a promise, it's just an assumption. Can't promise anything. Because every time feels like the last one. That's the thing. Okay, I feel like we need to work with macros some more. Maybe it would be the last one. So I can already construct my nodes from directory, from a bunch of strings, and I guess now I should be able to do it on the client from the table. Yeah. You don't understand. We love each other. That's what real love looks like.
I could be flying, I could be reaching at the skies, I could be sailing over the seas, whatever it means. I could be climbing.
Okay, so I guess we do some sort of from table that we have not here. Yeah, table conversion. So it would be kind of the same, but not with context. Also, I need the domain enum. Spacetime type. Generate. Right. But at least I don't need to do this, because we can't insert them into table directly. So yeah, let's just try to just put it here, I guess. And we don't need this. Okay, no. Let's try to do it here. Yeah, we need this, I guess.
The same as it used to be, I can feel it. While the rain is falling on my knees, you don't mean it. All the words you say, but your heart feels like it's overseas. Paper running out of love. Someday
Didn't I
the world is gonna
generate?
fall. You know we could have had it all, but every time you lay beside me, I know.
Oh, it didn't. Fuck. Shit, it's kinda. Oh, wait, actually, no, it's fine. We just need to move this. Move this to another crate. like this. Okay. Wait, what is this? Is it because... Wait, what the fuck? Okay. Holy shit. 1188 implementations. I wonder... Well, it's not even so much code. Okay, what was I gonna do? Yeah. Key. I guess I should also move this key constructor that I made here. I mean, this would be easy. Okay, I don't even use this find. Can probably put it in some macro. Yeah. Just put it fucking here. And it'll just work. For sure. I mean, yeah. Yeah, okay. Is this Among Us? Of course. Of course it is. Can I have one unit channel some mega destruction beam and other one amplify it? I mean, yeah, kinda. You can basically do anything, but the way it's gonna balance the like overpowered stuff is that you will basically have to pass the moderation of other players. So you can just straight up create something super strong. There'll be like a lot of ways to manage that, because it's obviously like the biggest issue, allowing players to create content. So like it would be mostly about any single unit can be super strong, but if there are some combinations where like one unit enables another, like this is how you basically do the strong stuff. I mean, yeah, it does, but it's a matter of implementation. But it's like the only way to approach this problem. Wait. Ah, fuck.
My legs run faster than my brain can think, and my eyes tell me it's a wrong
What am I
direction.
doing?
My heart is pumping
It's now.
over, and the adrenaline
I
jumps
have to
in
do it in
my veins. I
macros.
cannot look back, and I don't want to. My body takes over control, and my mind is blind for the danger that comes to me now. Come get some closer
Yeah.
now. I'll count you in. It's like a roller coaster, but this one never stops. Come get some closer now. Don't be afraid. It's like a roller coaster, but this
Oh yeah. Okay, so it should just return the data. Find by key. And just option string. Oh, it's actually... Wait, no. We can actually return the node. Right? String.
forever in your heartbeat. Forever in your heartbeat.
Alright.
I can hear your heart.
Okay.
In your heartbeat.
Okay, we don't need this. Oh. Okay, what do I actually need from this? I need to construct this unit, inserting any nested structures by ID. So I say go into the server table, get the data for unit, inject into the structure, and then try to gather whatever children it has. Wait, what? Is there no... Yeah, there is an index. Huh? Why can't I do a parent? What the fuck?
Forever in your heartbeat. I can hear your heart.
What?
Forever in your heartbeat. Forever in your heartbeat.
I can only do primary key? What the fuck? That's weird. I guess whatever. This is on the client, so I don't care that much. But yeah, so what do we do about IDs? Do I need to store them somehow? Okay, but we can figure it out later. For now... Yeah, so we got the children. Then we got the IDs. And then basically we try to... Okay, option fields are just straight up with the same ID. So we can say description is... let's uncomment this. Description is unit description from table. Yeah, just like that. Okay, yeah, in this one is like we iterate children and yeah, it's basically the same. Okay, let's try to put this into the thing macro. First of all, let's define the function in the trait like this. Then we take this, we go here, we put this here, and this, I mean, I feel like it's just the same, except no CTX. But otherwise it should be the same. And restart server, because for some reason it fails to find new trait functions. And this weird error for some reason appears, but then it goes away. Okay, I think we can test this. We can test this. So we already have, yeah. So let's try to construct a match structure from this table on the client. Match from table. Domain match ID 3 and debug. Let's see. Wait, do I need to publish? No, I don't. Not yet implemented. Oh, of course. Okay, none. I think I know why. Because I'm not subscribed. Just subscribe to everything right away. And boom. It almost works. Yeah, it didn't find those for some reason, and the units. Shit. Yeah. Oh, and I know why. Nodes relations. Because we forgot to subscribe to the table with parent, children stuff. And boom. Yes. Alright. Perfect. Alright. So now we can construct this local structure from data from the database. Yeah, I feel like this should be everything I need. Considering like getting and translating the data. Because there is like a lot of ways to store it, but once we implement all of them, they will just work. Okay, so yeah, so let's do it like more generalized. Maybe I need to add another function. Like I want to just find a match with a certain, not just any match basically. I guess I can just do it straight away. No, I want to do it through the nodes domain. Yeah, I think I already have this like here. Yeah, filter by kind. So it should be the same. Yeah, I guess this is really similar. It's just the only difference is this has CTX and this like uses the connection. But I'm not gonna stress about, because I would have to like make a macro or something like. I don't want to get obsessed making a macro for fucking everything. But I can copy paste. Copy pasta. That's it, right? Oh. I can't copy pasta because for some reason I can't. Like, dude, I swear, I read their changelog and they said they have indexes for like on the client side. Am I tripping? Maybe it was the release candidate too. Because like doing this for like going over the whole table, it kind of sucks. Client side indexes, yeah. I'm not tripping. Oh, it works only for find? I mean... So it's only for... I mean, yeah, okay, makes sense. Okay, yeah. It does make sense. Because this one isn't unique. Okay, so ether, filter, yeah. Okay. Match filter by kind. Match. Match plugin m.id. Yeah, world. Wait. Yeah, I have the world here. Okay. Okay. Okay, we should be able to see the same thing when we press the button. Yes. All right. Be right back. Alright, so now we should be able to unpack all of this data to some local world, which we then use to display the shop on the client and do whatever. Maybe I commit this. Yep. Bum, bum. Okay, how do we do this? So it should be a lot like I did for battle, where I have local world in this structure. Yeah, I guess let's just try. Can you actually? I mean, yeah, actually I don't need it to be a resource, right? And I don't need anything actually. So all I need Does world implement default? It does, okay. So we do this, and then we say match unpack md world spawn empty id commands, and this should unpack all the data from this, and then we just open a window. Same as here. So I can make a couple of units, shield, the beam, generator, and amplifier unit. Can I recycle the energy from the opponent's attacks to power up my units? I mean, yeah. You can do anything. That's the thing. Whatever you come up with, it should be possible to do. Like, it's all a matter of expanding the API. So, like, for example, let me show you like how it was in the previous version. So, like, the effects are basically all here, and all of the things that you can do are implemented with this, like the effects and the expressions. The expressions are basically functions that you can like nest into each other. And all of the operations should be possible to implement through this. And the final like units look like this. They're all text, and yeah, it's just here's it's like functionality. Well, they usually just use certain ability, which is implemented in their house. So, for example, we have like druids that have a Thorns status effect, which on taking damage, deals damage back to the attacker. And like this is how it's implemented. Yeah, like here. Here is the implementation of like this damage. It basically triggers, targets, and effects. It all consists of these components. There is also summons and statuses. So you said something about shield, and there was also a shield in Paladin's house, which just absorbs X amount of damage. And this is done through something I called like delta triggers, which on incoming damage takes the amount of charges of the status and the value of the damage and just subtracts one from another. So like it's basically anything you come up with should be able to be implemented. It might just require extending like this like effects API and like the expression API. There is also events and triggers. But yeah. Yeah, dude, you got some cool ideas. That's what I love to hear. I can actually wait. I can actually do ID, so we can open a bunch of matches. Oh yeah, but I think the name would get scuffed. Oh wait, did it? Oh wait, yeah, no, I don't think we're infected, so we need... wait. Wait, actually, why do I even need the world? Do I? I don't think so. I can just edit everything like there, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, because I needed the world in battle to like simulate stuff, but here I don't. Yeah, that's the cool part. Yeah, so we got the data, we got the gold amount. Right. Okay. So I guess let's try to display the units in the shop. Yeah, so I have them here. We just need to get this ID and put it into this shopcase unit. Is there like element or something like type of damage or similar? Not currently, but there is something that we can add. This is like the type of thing that it's not like directly a content, it's more like a game mechanic. And yeah, I want to make a way for players to create those, but it's oh, I guess no, it can be achieved with how everything currently is. But yeah, currently no, but it can be added. I want to do something like kind of a suggestions table where you can like suggest like adding maybe new types of entities to the game, like type of damage, for example. So you just suggest it, just like describing it, and if a lot of people vote for adding it, then like at some point on game's update it can be added. But there needs to be a reason, like what kind of game mechanic can't be implemented without it, you know? Filter by kind. Unit. Why did it start to do this? Like eat or choose? I can just do choose. Wait, what kind of RNG do I use? Oh, it's CTX RNG. Yeah. Okay. What? Ah, I guess I didn't add the clone. Yeah. Maybe some kind of simple element editor where a unit has certain percentage of elements and they interact with the attack somehow, maybe even cooperate with other units. Yeah, that's the thing, like we don't want to make it too complex. So for example, the description of an ability should be like a couple of lines. That's what I try to do like here. It's usually like the description is just like give this, heal that, or like reduce all statuses, or there was also like here is the cool one, like you can copy unit. So like it should be easy to understand, because the more complex you make it, the harder it is for players to get into. You can do some interesting stuff, but like if it takes a lot of like mental effort to understand, it's kind of bad. Yeah, because you can achieve like a very deep gameplay from just a bunch of very simple building blocks. And yeah, fortunately I've already tested this with my previous game iteration. So I had like about 100 heroes, and it was surprising how many strategies people came up with, and they've played like for a while. It kept them interested for weeks, even though the content wasn't really updated that much. What programming language you mean? Do you mean Rust or the one that I've like created? Alright, so we got the unit. Okay, so let's try to display it. Thanks. Yeah, hopefully I can get people to understand how it works. But yeah, Rust is the best language there is. I really truly believe that. I keep saying it on stream. I'm just have so much fun and enjoyment working with it. I've never enjoyed programming so much in my life. Okay. How do I get the unit here to display? So we do have its ID. And then I guess we just do the same like from table. I will do it every frame here, but we'll cache it somehow later. So paint rect. Wait, how did I use it before? Yeah, I just have to come up with a position. So I can do just available rect. Let's just fucking take the available rect. So it's just like one full screen unit. Context. Wait. Do I need the context? Oh. That's why I needed the world. Because to get any data for calculations, I need the source of that data. Right. Yeah. Or actually, wait. Maybe I don't. Because I can do like get var, and it's mostly about getting these variables. So maybe I can do a new context source, but I'm not sure if it's possible, because I would, let's see. So it would be reference Dean node. Can I do it? But like this. Cannot be made into an object. Maybe box? Can I like put a reference? Where do I even put it? Here? It should be possible somehow. I mean, wait, something because it's a component. I don't even know how to fucking Google this. Maybe like this. Okay, that's something else. Dynamic function. Wait. Ah. I hate when it does that. Doesn't. Oh. Oh. Okay. Plus debug. Yay. Okay. Yeah. That's what we need. We don't need the node. We just need to be able to get a bar from it. Okay, this is not supported. This is not supported. Wait, is anything supported? Get children, get parents, get all units. Oh yeah, we do it through a node state. So I guess... Do I use it anywhere else? No. So maybe I can replace it with get var directly. What's the feature implementing now? I have this this is the thing I call context, which basically describes how to get a certain data, and it works differently in different places. And I translate. So this is this bunch of structure describes everything there is in the game, all the data. And for example, I have a unit, and it has stats, which is like power and HP. But I don't always want to be able to access these fields directly. So for that, I have something like an enum called var name, and I can say like give me HP. And this context describes how to get HP in different situations. And right now I'm trying to make it so I can get HP from this unit, because as you saw with my like this weird language, let me show you. So like I have this unit, and this describes how to render it. And it has to be able to access values of variables through this, like just by name. And so to render a unit from a structure, I need another way to like get its like HP or whatever from context. But before I didn't need that. I always spawn everything in the world, and it was like easier. But now I'm thinking about adding another way to access this data. So that's what I'm doing. I basically want to say use this unit structure as a source, and whoever asks for a variable, just send them there and try to get it from there. Wait, what am I doing? This can be done a lot easier. I don't need the source. I have something called layer, which is exactly what I need. Or maybe not, wait. Because I don't want to copy it. Yeah, it's not really that simple, unfortunately. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain, but... I mean, everything is already kind of in this like parent-child relationship, but it's just structured in a lot of different ways, depending on the way that it is stored. So I've came up with this structure a long time ago, and I've been able to implement everything I needed so far. It's mostly tied to like the way gameplay mechanics are processed. Like because you could have like a chain of like this unit does this, then this unit reacts in this way because of this trigger, then it triggers another thing, and you basically get like a layered state of this context. And yeah. And also the data can be in a different, like sometimes it's in a query for like performance reasons. Sometimes I can insert the word directly, and sometimes I use the battle simulation structure which wraps the world. Like, yeah, it's kind of hard to explain. Okay, I guess we can solve this. It would require cloning, but I think it's okay. So we can just say owner node. Wait. Maybe I can actually do it with reference, but I would need a lifetime. But I can probably use a lifetime from here, right? Like this? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, this is actually pretty good. Yeah. Looks very nice. And so we simply do node get var, and that's it. Different scenarios. Yeah. Yep, exactly. This is like one of the core things about how I implemented the gameplay, and I've been trying like a lot of different ways to do it. It's mostly about how the units interact within a battle. Just because you can get like really long chain reactions. But at the same time I want to use the same thing for like processing it in the like common world, and right now I also started using queries for like performance reasons. And yeah, there probably will be new cases in the future, like right now. So yeah, okay, now I can do something like this. I can do context default. Let me add the function to add the node layer. Yep, and then owner node unit. And like this. Wait, what? Oh. As ref. Okay. Now it should render the unit. And if it does, I'm free. Nope. Oh, wait, why? Did it manage to get the unit? Oh, it didn't.
600 series had rubber skin.
Hmm.
We spotted them easy. But these are new. They look human. Sweat, bad breath, everything.
Where is he?
Leader is out there.
Priest 14,
It can't be reasoned with.
18,
It absolutely will not stop.
relations. Yeah, it should be able to get it. Probably it's looking in a wrong table. Somehow. Let's see. Because yeah, they didn't get anything. Let's see if it gets any children. It does. 18. Yeah, 18 is the one we're looking for. And stats is 15. Yeah, it does get children.
With a nuclear war, 5 years from now, all this
Oh wait,
is gone.
hold up.
That Terminator is out there.
Shouldn't ID be the same?
It can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. And it absolutely will not stop. Ever.
Wait a second. I think the way I put them into a table is wrong. Option fields should have the same ID. Okay, how do we fix this? Table conversions. table. Wait. Wrist unit. So this should also be 14. But for some reason it's 15. Ah. Self ID. Yeah, this is the problem. Yeah, maybe we should provide the ID. Or wait, no, actually, we can put it here, like this. Yeah, I think this should work. Delete from nodes alpha. And then let's try to we need to publish. Yeah, because it does work on the server because we get because the IDs are already there, but like, wait, doesn't it get called every time? I think I need else, so it just doesn't get called. This probably increases the ID counter quite a bunch. Duplicate insertion. Okay, clear. Okay, sync assets. All right, now let's see. Yeah, okay, same ID. And now insert match, open. Yes, it works. Okay, probably remove the fucking debug. Yeah, boy. Okay, fucking I debugged the children somewhere. Alright. This is a win. And yeah, this is how like kind of the graphics can look. This is just a bunch of I think like a bunch of squares. I think there is like 1,000 that is just rendered on top of one another, and they like move. This was just me kind of testing the performance. But yeah, they also actually get all into like a single mesh, and they're all drawn in a single draw call, which is pretty cool. I also have this animation editor. I'll be working with it some more later when I'm doing content. But yeah, I'm really happy how it turned out. So yeah. Dude, I can't stop playing with it. Okay. That should be it for today. I've actually achieved surprisingly a lot despite yapping so much. So yep. Thank you so much for watching. It was nice to meet you, Juso. Hope you guys liked the stream. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I'll be here every day cooking my game. Okay, I will, for sure. Alright, so I'll be here tomorrow. So hopefully I'll see you later, and have a great day, guys. Bye bye.